Hi guys! Welcome to Bestfriend'S Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make Brigadeiro. So here are the ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin. Una, buksan nyo lang yung kalan at iset ito sa medium heat. Pagkatapos, ilagay nyo lang yung condensed milk sa isang pan. After that, ilagay nyo na rin yung cocoa powder. Then, haluin nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well combined. After that, i-add nyo na rin yung butter. At pagkatapos, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa ma-dissolve yung butter. I-continue nyo lang yung paghalo at lutuin ito for 15 to 18 minutes or hanggang sa maging malapot na yung mixture. Kapag na-achieve nyo na yung ganitong consistency, patayin nyo lang yung apoy. Habang mainit pa yung mixture, i-add nyo na yung chocolate at i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa mag-completely melted yung chocolate natin. After that, i-transfer nyo lang yung mixture sa isang tray or plate. Then, i-cover nyo lang ito ng foil at i-place nyo sa fridge for 3 hours. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. After 3 hours, completely set na yung mixture natin. At ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-mold. Maglagay lang kayo ng kaunting butter sa kamay nyo para hindi dumikit yung mixture. Mag-scoop lang kayo ng 1 tablespoon ng mixture at i-roll nyo ito gamit ng inyong mga kamay na parang maliliit na bola. Pagkatapos, i-coat nyo lang ito ng kahit anong sprinkles na gusto nyo. By the way guys, para sa recipe ito, gumamit kami ng toasted desiccated coconut, sprinkled candies, at cocoa powder para sa coating. Ulitin nyo lang yung same procedure hanggang ma-coat natin ang lahat ng mixture. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.